Let's try to find out the derivative of cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. So let me suppose this is our function y equals to cos inverse 4x cubed minus 3x. Now here, if you have very good concept of trigonometry, you will see something. There is some relationship here while solving this derivative. 4x cubed minus 3x. What do you mean? What do you get from here? Actually, I just want to tell you, just think over this. 4x cubed minus 3x, and here is cos. So there is some relationship. See, what is exactly that? It is like if you have 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, instead of theta you can use any angle, is actually cos 3 theta. And here is cos 3 theta, and here is also cos. So you can easily make it equals to 3 theta. So it becomes, this whole thing will be very simple form, very simple form. That's why they have given this, by knowing they have given this. So you should know this tricks. This tricks comes once you know the basics, or you're very good in trigonometry, right? So definitely you should be very good in trigonometry because you're learning derivative of trigonometric functions. So I hope you're very good in trigonometry. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to suppose let x is equal with cos theta. So what I can write now, that y is equal with now cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And now I can write y is equals to now cos inverse this whole quantity. Instead of this whole quantity, what I can write, it is cos 3 theta. So it will be cos 3 theta. And now I can write cos is equal with 3 theta. See how simple it becomes. You might be confusing how it came. Let me tell you here. If I have y equals to cos inverse of cos 3 theta, alright, it is 3 theta, then it becomes very simple. Since it is minus 1, so minus 1, I mean, since it is cos is in inverse, it can go left hand side, so it will be cos y equals to cos 3 theta. So both sides we have cos, so that's why we can say y is equal with 3 theta. And now we can differentiate both sides with respect to x. So it will be dy over dx will be equal with derivative of 3 theta with respect to x. And now derivative of what is theta? Again, see here, x equals to cos theta. So from here, what you can say, that cos inverse of x is equal with theta. So here you can write 3 times cos inverse of x divided by dx. Since 3 is a constant quantity, will come outside, and it will be derivative of cos inverse x with respect to x. And everybody know now what is the derivative of cos inverse of x, right? So that's why now your dy over the dx is turning to 3 times minus 1 over 1 minus x square. Alright, so our answer is minus 3 over 1 minus x square. Answer. This is how we need to find out the derivative of these things, right? It's very simple and a little tricky it was. And sometimes try to see if there is some relationship. Alright, you need to check up the relationship. It becomes very simpler. Alright, otherwise it might have been very lengthy process if we use the traditional way we were following in the previous videos. Alright, catch you in the next video with next problem almost similar to this I will try to do. Alright, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.